Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't take things personally. Ignore the opinions of others. This is a trippy card, folks. Whatever people do, feel, think, or say, don't take it personally. Others are going to have their own opinion according to their belief system, so whatever they think about you is not about you, but it's about them. Flipping that around a little, huh? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 336. NASDAQ off 161, S&P's off 36, gold contract up $8, trading at $17.78 an ounce. We got silver flat, $25.86 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 94 cents, $62.44 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year note up 10 ticks, trading 132.17. 30-year up 20 at 158.04. And King Dollar. King Dollar's up 164 ticks, trading out 91.233. Euro's at 120. The yen is out here at 108.10, and the British pound's at 139 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get a slow roll to the downside. What's going to get intriguing here, folks, is this. When you get a slow roll, this is kind of how these things lay out. So picture that if you're driving in your car or you're not in front of a screen, picture that you get a horseshoe and turn it upside down. Well, as you turn it upside down, when you're looking at the right-hand side of the horseshoe, where we are right now, this is where the volume starts to expand. Now, what I expect we're going to see is this. That we're going to get a slight expansion of volume today, and we're going to get a much larger expansion of volume tomorrow. And if that's what we have, then you are in a correction right now. That's kind of how this is laid out. You know, right now, it's like, okay, man, are you going to pull back at all? It's a close call right now. That being said, however, is that when you do have these slow rolls to the downside, okay, they accelerate very quickly on that right-hand side of that horseshoe. That's kind of how that's how they lay out. You know, everyone turns around and says, okay, is this it? Is this it? This it? And then they realize that, oh, this is it. We are going to be in a correction. And what anyone that is even running bigger money or small money, it doesn't matter, is going to really understand is like, okay, hold it. If we're in a correction, is this going to be a consolidation? Because if it is a consolidation, folks, okay, you're talking about a very deep consolidation. You know, the aspect of the last time that we came down, you know, the Qs got down to that 207. Now, I don't see that coming. Okay, what I do see coming is the Qs getting down to like 321, 324. You know, we'll see where that shakes out. But bottom line is that the bottom of that, because it's a high volume low, is game. There's no two ways about that. Small caps. The small caps you can see, and the small caps are going to give us the heads up in a big way if, in fact, we're going down to the bottom of the consolidation. Because that's what the small caps are doing, number one. And I suspect what we're going to see with the small caps tomorrow is that you're going to see it go after the low, number one. And if you go after that low and the volume expands, then you're talking a whole different ballgame, man. You know, these babies are coming down fast and furious. The IWM is down $5.50 here at 216. What's laying out there like a sore thumb is the 206 to 207 area. That's the real bottom line. It's there, and it's there in spades. Gold contract out here. We take a look at the gold contract. What you have inside the gold contract, bottom line, gold wants higher price. We rejected 1763 today. You did 162,000 contracts thus far. This next swing point up here is the 1818. Bottom line, it's going to go for it. The GDX, if we go take a look at some of the gold and silver equities, GDX out here, $36.16. That thing is game all the way up to this $41 area. Good old King Dollar. Let's go over to King Dollar. So King Dollar, there she goes. King Dollar out here is up right now 149 ticks. We're at 91.2 91,619. Now, 91,605, folks, is the number you want to keep your eye on. That's the number that the bottom line we got back under that number, and that's saying that the good old King Dollar wants to run down into the 89 area. Notes and bonds, they continue to want higher price. Deviant, yes, no doubt about that. Bottom line, though, guess what? They're buying these things hand over fist. You did 1.2 million contracts out here today, and the 10-year. You're trading at 132. My take is that the 10-year is going to be running up to 135. See, 135 is ice. The cool thing about the bond market, folks, which I talked about before, is that when you're coming into this low, you don't know yet whether there's a change of trend or just a dead cat bounce. Well, either way, bonds want to go higher. That's what it shakes out to be. We're going to take a look at the TLT. You're going to see the TLT has some follow through out here today. That's up 77 cents. Let's go. Where am I? Here we go. Let's go to Earl in Seminole. Hey, Earl, what's going on?
Hey, Tommy. Just want to talk a little bit about a gold stock. Got into some July FCX 37s, and boom, they took a hit today and yesterday.
Okay, so
there's an article out there that says that the copper stocks are getting shorted. Want to know your uptake?
Okay, so let's take a look at it. We get Freeport McMoran. The low is $7.30. The high is $39. This equity here, just to answer your question about short and Earl, has not gotten it. There's only a 1.3% short interest in it. So that's not this equity. You got. Yeah, you're pulling back. Let me see when they come out with numbers. So they come out with numbers the 22nd. And what month do you have?
I got the July 37th.
Yeah, you're in good shape. I mean, you're going to pull back out here today, but you're pulling back with light volume. It's pressing these highs, meaning at 39.10. It pressed it last week with some good volume. It's for 107 last week. You're going against 147. This will build more cars in order to break this area, man. That's what it's looking like.
You don't give much theory that there's three companies going to short it.